Hi students, in this session we will learn how to find HCF of two fractions or decimals using Euclid's division algorithm. Two fractions or decimals using division algorithm, finding HCF. Okay, shall we take one example? For example, HCF of 6 by 5 and 3 by 25. How to find HCF of these two fractions, 6 by 5 and 3 by 25? First we have to convert the given fractions into decimals. What we should do first step? We have to convert given fractions into decimals. See, 6 by 5, this can be written as 6 if you divide by 5, 5 1 are 5, remainder is 1, put a decimal point here, keep 0, now 5 2 are 10, remainder is 0, then 6 by 5 can be written as 1 by 1.2. Similarly 3 by 25, second fraction is 3 by 25. How to write 3 by 25 in decimals? Same, division, or we can make it into like fractions. How? If you multiply both numerator and denominator, you know that how to convert fraction into decimals. If you make denominator multiples of 10, it is easy to write in decimal points. Now if I multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, it becomes a fraction with the denominator 100, with the denominator 100, which is multiples of 10. Now this can be written as 0.12. How to find the HCF of these decimals? Easy. See, now if you find the HCF of 1.2 and 0.12, 1.2 and 0.12, it is enough to find the fraction HCF of the given fractions. Yes. See, now 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10, and also it can be written as 120 by 100, 120 by 100, and 0.12 can be written as 12 by 100. Now find the HCF of these two numerators. Now find the HCF of these two numerators. What are those? 12, 120. HCF of 12, 120 using Euclid's division algorithm. How? We know that in these two, which is greater, 120 is greater, so 120 can be expressed as divisor is 12, 12 into 10 plus 0. So here HCF is how much? At this step itself, 12 10 120 plus 0. Here HCF is the divisor where we got the remainder 0. So this is the HCF of 12, 20. This is the HCF of 12, 120. But what do you want? HCF of 1.2, 0.12. 0.12. Here we got actually 12 by what is the denominator in both cases? Same denominator. These are like fractions. So how much is the denominator here? 100. So write 100 here. Then it becomes, if you write this fraction in decimal form, in denominator here are 2 zeros. So decimal point shift from right to left, 2 digits left side. Okay. Then it becomes 0.12. Therefore HCF of 1.2 is nothing but 6 by 5, 0.12 is nothing but 3 by 25. Answer is 0.12. If you write this in the fraction, the answer is 3 by 25. So like this we can find HCF of the even fractions. Okay. Now shall we solve another problem based on this method only? See now second problem, finding HCF of, we will take now decimals now. Finding HCF of 1.4 and 0.14. 1.4 and 0.14. See, what is the question? HCF of, find HCF of 1.4 and 0.14 using divisional order, or like this. If you same procedure you have to follow. So 1.4 can be written as 1.4 itself, or let me write down, and 0.14. These are the given decimals. Now 1.4 and 0.14. After decimal point, here how many digits are occur? Only one, that is 4. Here two decimals are here. So write in 1.4 also after decimal point should be two decimals. How to write? We know that after right side of the decimal point, at the end, if you write any number of zeros also, no value, same. Yes, 1.40, or you can write number of zeros, but here only two decimals are given, so that write here also only 10 to make 1.40 after decimal point to get two decimals, and 0.14 as this. Now consider this number like this. 1.40 can be written as 140 by 100 as a fraction. Similarly, 0.14 can be written as 14 by 100. 14 by 100. Like this, you have to convert the given decimals into fractions, fractions into decimals. Now, observe the numerators 14, 140. Now, find the HCF of these numerators. Now, what will be the HCF of 14, 140? Obviously, it is 14, because 14 1 jar 14 10 jar. Yes. So here how? Because since 140 can be expressed as 14 tens plus 0. Am I correct? So like this we got HCF is equal to 14 of these two. Now what is our required HCF? Therefore HCF of 1.4, 0.14 is, what we got here, HCF of numerators 14 by, what is the common denominator for these two? 100. So write this in decimal form. That is our answer. 14 by 100 can be written as 0.14. So like this you have to find the HCF of the given decimals. Convert into like decimals. We can call it as like decimals or like fractions. Here also without considering the decimal point 140, 40. After that we have to write here, after answer is for this 14, 140 is 14 now. Now count the decimals after decimal, right side of the decimal point, 2 are here. So now in answer also shift decimal point from right to left 2 places. So like this you have to write a solution. Okay. Shall we discuss one more example? Yes. That is, what is our question? Find HCF of 6 by 5 and 21 by 100. Now express 6 by 5 in decimal form. How? 6 by 5 is equal to, alright, 1.2. We already solved in a earlier problem. Yes. Now 21 by 100 is equal to, this can be written as 0.21. If you divide by 100, the decimal point shifts right to left 2 digits. Now, how to write this? Here also same. After decimal point 2 digits are here. Here after decimal point only 1 digit. Write it as 1.20, 0.21. We will solve it in different way. this problem. Now, irrespective of the decimal point, what are these numbers? Ignore decimal points and read this number 120, 21. 120, 21. Now find the HCF of 120, 21 using division algorithm. How? 120 is equal to 21 into how many times it is possible? Of course 5 times. 105. The remainder is 15. Next case, this divisor becomes dividend. This remainder becomes divisor. 15. The remainder 15 becomes divisor for step 2. Now 15. If you divide 21 by 15, it becomes 15 1 are 15. The remainder is 6. Now in step 3, this 15 becomes dividend, and the remainder becomes divisor. So 6 2 are 12, and the remainder is 3. Now again 6 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 0. So at what step we got? At what stage we got 0? In the last step here we got where the divisor is 3. Therefore HCF of 120, 21 is 3. But what is our required? HCF of 120, 21 is 3. But what is required? HCF of 1.20, 0.21. So 1.20, 0.21. After decimal point, how many digits are here? 2. Here also 2. So after decimal point, we should get 2. You have to shift decimal point 2 digits left side. So this becomes 0.03 is the answer. What is the answer? 0.03. So this is the HCF of, if you want to write in fraction form, 1.20 is equal to nothing but 6 by 5. 0.21 is 21 by 100. That is equal to 3 by 100 is the answer. So like this, you have to solve HCF of the fractions or decimals in this procedure. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. So take your own problems and practice. Okay, thank you.